Hey guys, so we are here installing the Rhythm identity sign, and this is a humongous sign. You can kind of see the guys are trying to guide it up there. We don't have any high winds today, so that's a good thing. But we're installing the sign. This is a 25-foot wide sign. It is huge. And it's going up there on the top of the building. If you were here, if you saw the live video we did a couple of weeks ago when we were installing the Rhythm monument, you would have seen the Rhythm sign go in. You could also check back on the Facebook and see that live video when we installed the monument. But this is a humongous sign, and very excited about this today. It's going to give them incredible identity from a much needed intersection down the street. You can see the Rhythm graphics on there. The Rhythm word will be halo lit at night, and then the graphics on the sides will be illuminated edge lit from the sides there as well. You can see the frame that's behind the sign. The frame is had to go up in advance of the sign, and so you can kind of see that there. The LED lights are in place for the side lighting there of the graphics, and then the LEDs are actually already installed. They're inside the letters, but this is going to be a tremendous identity for the property. We've got a 95-foot lift here that extends up over the property building there, and we've got our truck placed there close to the building. So our truck is, as you can see, is lifting the guys up in place so that they can install the sign. And of course the sign is being hoisted up by this 95-foot lift you can see there. So it takes a little bit of coordination, but it is going to be incredible when this thing is installed. See, we've actually got two guys. It's such a large sign. We have two guys kind of guiding it with ropes on the sides at the base here on the ground, and the guy at the top is Danny. He's up there placing the sign in position. We also have a guy on the roof. You can see his hat there over the sign a little bit. So he's there on the roof. So we've got the two guys up top that is guiding the sign into place, and then we have the guys at the bottom who are actually kind of guiding it so the winds don't take it with the ropes. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what's going on, what's happening here on site. I like to always share what Robinson's doing. You know, even among the pandemic, what's going on right here, we're still at work. We are an essential business just because we're doing residential construction and signage. So this project is continuing here in Austin, and we want to make sure that all of the signs are installed. So today we've got this sign that we're installing, and then we also have several interior building signs. The clubhouse is being installed today. Several exterior signage, but it's going to be a tremendous project. Very excited about this one, just because we did everything. We named the property, we branded it, we're doing all the signage, the collateral. It's going to be a tremendous project that I think it's going to lease up quickly, just because of the story, the graphics, the strong and the strength of the story. So very excited about this. I will share more photos as they develop throughout the day so you can see the final product installed, and maybe I'll share a few other signs that we're installing today as well. All right, so stay tuned. They've almost got the sign in place there. And I will share more photos just a little bit later. Okay guys, thanks for joining today, and look for more photos soon. Take care.